how to change Midjourney password. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change the password of your Midjourney account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to search for midjourney.com, and after you search it, you'll have to just log in with your account on Midjourney, and after you log in, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your at the left hand side of your screen, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like account. Alright, so from that section, you'll have to just check whether your Midjourney account is connected with your Discord or Google ID. So to change the password of your Midjourney account, you'll have to just change the account password of your Google ID or Discord. So for the Google ID, click on your Google ID and from your tap on manage your account. Now from here you'll have to click on security. Okay, so from your scroll down and go to the option password. And now from here you can easily confirm with your password. After you done it, click on next. Alright, so after you confirm with your old password, you can easily change password of your Google account, and after you change password of your Google account, it will automatically change of your Midjourney account password also. So you can manually change of your Google account or your Discord account that is connected to your Midjourney. So in this way you can change Midjourney account password. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.